picked a bad day to wear my good shoes. Oh well. Tio's got it worse. Oh! That was pretty refreshing. This is perfect. It really is. Hey, look at that. Wow. This is so nerve-wracking. Okay, here goes. Brittany? Oh my gosh, are you serious? Yes! Yes, of course! Really? Wait, what's that? No! Don't you dare! This was supposed to be a romantic moment. Wait, I know. I always carry this with me. It's soap. Oh, that's a good idea. For an emergency soap supply, all you need is a vegetable peeler and a bar of soap. Run the peeler across the soap and remove slithers from it. Then you'll need a small jar. Place the soap in the jar and seal it. You never know when you'll need it. Honestly, I'm so sorry. It's fine, Tio. I think my hands are almost clean. Hey, look at that. Spotless. Uh-oh. I'm starting to think this is personal. Quick! The umbrella! Let's get out of here! What a day. Oh, I know. Hey, wanna play volleyball? Do I have to? Please, pretty please. Ugh, fine. Let's go. Hold on. I don't want to lose this. I'll leave it here. Can't forget this. Almost ready. Let's take off our shoes. Ah, good idea. Okay, let's do this. You know I'm gonna win, right? We'll see. Aha! Another unsuspecting victim. I love my job. Jewelry. Boring. Oh, jackpot! This is more like it. I need some new shoes. Mine have seen better days. I told you this would be fun! Check this out! Ow! Oh, good shot! Oh, I don't like this game anymore. Gotta go! Tio! It was just a bit of fun! You got lucky. I'm sorry. Fine, whatever. Where are my shoes? They were right here. This is so weird. Where are they? They must be around here somewhere. I don't understand this. What's going on? I've got an idea. You need these. Empty soda bottles? Oh, right. I'll loosen the caps on the bottles. Then step on them. I'll tighten the caps again. The bottles have molded to my feet. Now I can slip my socks over them. It's kinda cozy. Wow! Look at these! Very stylish. Come on, let's go home. Good idea. Maybe I could start a new trend. The perfect crime. Huh? This might have been a mistake. Ugh. I think that's everything. This honey looks good. I can't wait to try it. It's so yummy. Wait. It can't be. It is. It's honey! Not on my watch. That honey belongs to the bees. Huh? Is that a bee? Get out of here! Ow! Ow! Stop it! Okay, you wanna play that game? Let's dance! Let go! It's mine! Let that be a lesson to you. Sweet, sweet honey. Ouch! You stung me! Ah! Why would you do that? Hey, keep it down. Why do humans always act this way? Come here! No! Stay back! Just stop. You need this. Huh? Put the syringe over the sting. Then suck it out. See? It works! Oh wow! Thanks! Why don't we share the honey? Help yourself. Wow, thanks. Did we just become besties? I think so. This room is a mess. Oh, why is cleaning such hard work? Hi, Brittany. I'm home. I've got a surprise for you. We're going on vacation. Come on. Whoa! We need to move. We don't want to miss the flight. But I'm not ready. This calls for some quick packing. What shorts look better? These ones.
I'll take this, and this, and this. Can't forget this.
Not a wrinkle in sight.
I'll take them all. I can't forget the sunscreen. My case isn't closing. This is gonna be a squeeze.
I'm ready.
That's great. Can you help?
Of course. This happens every time. Stop! Let me have a look. You're taking all of this?
You never know when you'll need a rolling pin.
No way. Okay, watch this. Place a sweater on the floor, then put a t-shirt over the top of it.
Don't forget this.
Okay, hand it over. Now fold the clothes over, creating one big bundle. It fits right into the case. Let's fasten the straps and close it. Now we're ready to go.
We really are!
It is hot, hot, hot out there! We're seeing record temperatures. Lather on the sunscreen. No one wants to look like a lobster.
Wow, that was great! What happened to you?
What?
No! I'm pink! Are you okay? Oh, why would you do that? Oops! Okay, I know what to do. This'll help cool you down. Seriously? Why would you do that? I thought it would help. Is this any better? I guess not. Okay, let's try this. Stop! I'm trying. I've got it! Stay right there. Oh, I need this cake mold. And I need some aloe. This'll do the job. I'll pour the aloe into the mold. I'll fill up each section. I should have thought of this earlier. Okay, that should do it. Now I'll put the tray into the freezer. Then I need to wait. That should be long enough. Yes! Aloe ice cubes! I'm coming! I made these for you! They'll be so cooling and soothing. Just run them over your skin. Trust me, it'll feel amazing. I'm at the stage. I'll try anything. Oh yeah, that's so good. My skin feels better already. I can even use it on my face. I'm so glad it's working! Thanks so much! Whoa! Not so fast. Oh, right.
This is the life. Oh. Hello.
Hey, you.
Do you want to go for a swim?
Oh no, I'm happy here.
Okay, I'll just go for a quick dip. I don't need this, so…
Okay, go for it.
I'm going.
What's the problem? A little further.
Oh, the water is cold. Whoa!
Oh no! Are you okay?
Save me! Help!
Don't panic! Help is coming!
Please, save me!
I've got you! It's okay!
I swear, my life was flashing before my eyes. I thought I was done for.
Just relax. Okay, you stay here. I'll be right back.
Phew.
Think. What should I do? Oh, I know. I'll grab a few things from in here. Nope. This could be handy. These will do. These can help Tio. I have an idea. Put this on.
What's that smell?
That's not important. Just wear it.
Hey, I like this color.
And now we need this bottle. Put it under the t-shirt. Then I'll tighten the cap over the fabric. I'll do the same on the other side and the back. Wait, one more thing. We need this rope. I'll loop it around you and use it to secure the bottles. We need to make sure it's a strong knot. Now you can go swimming. It'll be fine. Come on.
Well, if you're coming with me. Hey! I'm swimming! This is great! Thanks!
I told you it would work!
Let's go further out!
Traveling can be stressful enough. You don't need any more problems. Luckily, these hacks can make your journey and your vacation a whole lot more enjoyable. What's your best travel tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.